Okay, first of all, my name's Chris. Like, second of all, okay, I'm set the deal down straight, okay? Y'all girls saying you're ugly, you're dumb, you're lonely. Okay, you girls killing yourself for that reason. You guys committing suicide for that reason, dude. I really don't know what to say about that. So, girls, first of all, no matter how ugly you think you are, people will always see your inner beauty. They always see how beautiful you are in every way. Okay. Second of all, how lonely you say you are or how lonely you feel. There's always people thinking about you. Always people around you, your family and your friends. Okay. Third of all, how dumb you think you are or people say you are, the heck with that, okay? You don't need that kind of drop, that kind of chisnet to push you down. Okay, you're smart in your way. Okay, you like art, you like playing an instrument, or you like singing, dancing, or stuff like that, photography or anything. That's your, that's where you get your muse. That's where you get your inspiration from. That's where you know who you are. Okay, that's where you know who you are. Don't forget about that. That's one way you know what you do. Okay, and guys, guys, to all your haters out there that wanna dislike my video, dislike it all you want. I don't care. Okay, I'm me, and I wanna be me. Okay, you guys don't have to like me. I'm not a Facebook status to be liked. Okay, so girls, please don't do anything serious that would lose you forever. Cause people are gonna miss you. I swear. So, bye. Peace out.